Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what happens when you repeatedly tap the Android version number in your device settings. This playful action is a long-standing tradition designed by Google's developers to surprise and delight users. Each major Android operating system update brings a brand new, unique interactive experience. It's a fun, hidden gem that many users enjoy discovering, offering a brief, engaging diversion right on your phone. To find the secret, first open your phone's Settings application. Then, scroll down until you see About Phone or About Device and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll find an entry labeled Android version. Now, the fun part. Tap on this Android version text quickly, usually about 5 to 7 times in a row. This rapid tapping is the key to unlocking the hidden interactive experience. Once unlocked, you'll be greeted by a unique visual animation that fills your screen. This isn't just a static image, it's often interactive, responding to your touches and swipes. The experience varies greatly with each major Android release, sometimes featuring simple shapes, other times a more elaborate minigame. It's a delightful, often whimsical, surprise designed to showcase the creativity behind the operating system. These hidden Easter eggs are a cherished tradition in software development, not just for Android. They serve as a playful, hidden reward for users who are curious enough to explore their device's settings. Developers often include them to inject a bit of personality and fun into the operating system. It's a small, delightful detail that adds a unique, engaging layer to the overall user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.